Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to share this video how to fix Instagram Reel ad note option not showing on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if on your Instagram app ad note option not showing, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method you can try is open your Play Store, then search for Instagram. Tap on the Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, then go back, tap on the settings, scroll down, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps. Tap on the search and search for Instagram. Tap on the Instagram. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Here you will find storage and cache, tap on that. Once tap on clear storage. Before tapping delete, you have to read this carefully. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted. After this, just tap on delete, then go back and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then open your Instagram app, just tap on three horizontal lines in top right side corner. Open your Instagram app, tap on this profile icon. After that, in top right side corner you will find three horizontal lines, tap on that, scroll down. Here you will find help, tap on the help, then tap on report a problem, and tap on report a problem, then tap on include and continue. Here you need to type, hi Instagram team, ad note option not showing on my Instagram app, so please fix this issue as soon as possible. You have to write this type of matter and attach a screenshot from this upload option. After that, just tap on send button. After sending, you have to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After that, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram Reels ad note option not showing. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.